Hi guys. So, as far as a grinder I use, Menard Sells Tool Shop. They are dirt cheap. I burned up a Craftsman Professional, a Porter Gable, and a couple of the cheap grinders doing the 53 Chevy build I did. And about 20 years ago, to finish it, I needed a grinder and I didn't have a lot of money. I went to the Menards and I bought a cheap grinder. Well, there it is, 20 years later. So, I don't remember what I was doing at the shop when I had the motorcycle wreck, but I had one of these wire wheels on it, and that lock nut is sitting, I believe, in a box of drill bits that I didn't take with when I got all my tools out of the shop after the wreck. So I'm like, shit. So I looked it up. When I started working on the box of this truck, I had to weld in a patch panel on the box. I needed that nut to be able to put flappy discs on and grind cutting wheels. And you know, that thing is $14.99. I just looked it up. I thought I paid 25 bucks for it, but 15 bucks. Apparently, that's what I paid for this one 20 years ago, and it's still going. So, now I got one that I put wire attachments on, and I got one that I put discs on. Because I was originally looking for that to replace that, but for 15 bucks, I got a whole nother grinder. So, anybody that needs a cheap grinder for their project, Menards Tool Shop. They run. Anyways, that's my review on grinders. You can't beat 15 bucks.